Again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's coming up to spring. Summer is just amazing at the moment. The time is hot, lovely, beautiful and nice. I have some leftover melon and I decided to make a nice lovely smoothie by simple chucking some a whole heap of ice in it like this. After putting all of these ice, I'm gonna simply push it down. And next what we're going to do is to get one kiwi, and I'm going to remove the skin from the kiwi like this, guys, because the kiwi definitely going to bring in a nice lovely color to it when time it blend up. And not only that, kiwi is even good for us. All right, simple, cut up a kiwi inside of it just like this on a medium size, and get a nice lovely little piece of a ginger. It is summer and spring and break, everything in one, guys. It's amazing. Outside looks so lovely. The weather is, I can't believe. Squeeze half of a lemon inside of it like this, guys. Get that nice lovely flavor. Not only that, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of honey just to bring in a nice lovely color and flavor to it also, and a little bit of sweetness. So basically right here we got mixed melon, we got the ice, we got some kiwi, we got some lemon juice, we got some ginger, and all we got to do, blend it up, just to put in a little bit of water inside of it to free up the blender. Not too much water because you don't want to overcome it, so you want a lot of ice. So I may put a few more pieces of ice inside of it. Hopefully my blender will get the chance. So okay, it's fine. So we're gonna simple, yeah, just like this. Nice one. So we're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Hopefully it will come out lovely and nice and tasteable. It is spring break. Let's take it away. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, it is an amazing drink, guys. Look at that. The kiwi, I tell you something, the kiwi just bring in a nice lovely, oh my god, look at that, man. Amazing. Let's pour it into a glass and see exactly what's going on right here. That's how it goes. That's how it goes in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got melon, mixed melon, kiwi, and also ginger, lemon, honey. And that's how this summer we will be giving you all different kind of juice, all different kind of ideas, all different kind of stuff. You guys gonna be amazing this summer. Salad, everything where you can think of. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming. My name is Chef Ricardo, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I love you all from the Juice Bar channel. Bye bye.